Right, so getting straight into it, what we have here is the Asus motherboard. It is the A85V Pro. It's like got dual intelligent processors and such like. Loads of good stuff on that, AMD Crossfire, and it is Windows 8 ready. For the CPU I used the AMD A Series Black Edition. This is dual core A6. The max turbo is 4.2 and it is a 4 GHz clock, like base clock. This is the 6420K. I've managed to overclock it to 4.3 though, so I don't really know what's going on there. The RAM that I have used is the Gel Extreme Power 4 GB. What else does it say? It's 1333 megahertz. So, and it's 2 gigs split between 2 sticks. They do have a small heatsink on, as you can, or you might be able to see there. So this is DVR value dual channel kit, as you can see here. The heated boxes just in case if anything goes wrong. This is the Cooler Master CPU cooler thing. So that is a beast, like it keeps your stuff so cold. Well, cool. Oh yeah, it's cool. Now, that's the Hyper Evo 212. It has like universal CPU support and such like. The power supply is an Ace power supply. I'm not sure. I think it might be 650 volts. No watts. I don't know. If you check down in the description, I should have a link to most of the things if you wanted to get them. Graphics card is an NVIDIA GeForce 210. Above that we have some USB 3 ports. We've got a Sharkoon red LED fan, and these have just came off. That is annoying. Should have used a cable tie or something, but I did just use some sellotape. There we go. So I'm going to be getting another terabyte hard drive going there. It can support up to 7. You can have up to 3 graphics cards. Network card here. It does come with an onboard gigabyte network, I think. These are USB 3 ports, 4 of them. Sharkoon red LED fan, 2 of them in the front. I think 1 in the front error call because I did put that in. 200 gig hard drive, and then we've got another 40, so that's like for music and such like. LED strip, I think that's Alaska or Alaska, I don't know. Got a nice little Asus sign there. It's got 6 gig what's it called, SATA support things. The case it fits pretty much anything. This does fit. It looks like it won't, but the case actually supports it. Cable management, in fact no, before we go to cable management, here's the front of it. It's not powered on at the moment, as you can probably tell. So we've got 2 USB 3s, headphone, microphone, 2 USB 2s, reset switch and power switch, SD thing. You might be able to see, yeah you can, they're not that clear on here, well in real life. So these are power LEDs and HDD LED is there. It's all based on red sort of stuff, as that's what I have and I quite like the colour red. So as you can see, that's the back plate for the CPU. I'm not going to touch any of that because, yeah. Cable management is alright because you can't see it from the front and such like. We have to use an adapter for the 4-pin, as the motherboard is an 8-pin. This is SATA power, so that will go there, and so with this for the new terabyte hard drive. So yeah, the cable management's alright. You can put a 240mm radiator on the top. On the back, you have two things for water cooling. You've got the network card there. It doesn't have Wi-Fi built onto the motherboard, but I don't really need Wi-Fi as I do have Ethernet in my room. We've got water cool 4 USB ports. You've got 4 on the actual board. You've got an eSATA. You've got that network or Ethernet. You've got a full sound card thing. You've got the old-fashioned mouse and keyboard. 2 USB 2s. DisplayPort, HDMI, STDIF out, DVI and VGA out. It's got BIOS, flashback and direct key on the motherboard. I'll quickly show you that. As you can see, the power supply is red as well. Trying to go with the red theme. Wait, try to get this to focus. Okay. There's a switch here for power. You've got direct key, and then you've got the flashback, and then you've got MEM-OK up there. Can you see that up there? Oh no, you can't see this. It's too zoomed in. You've got MEM-OK there. So yeah, this is my PC build. It's actually really fast. I can always upgrade stuff. I did boot it up and I've installed Windows onto this drive, but I'm going to reinstall it onto the terabyte, because then I don't know why. I honestly don't know what to do, like for the storage options. Like I might do Windows on that and then have program files on the terabyte for games and everything, or I might have this as the backup and then that music and then the actual one for all my actual stuff. But yeah, that's about it guys. It's got HD audio and such like. Cable management's alright, you've got a nice Cooler Master logo there, you've got the ASUS there. And yeah, if you haven't seen me building this, then go onto my channel and check out the videos of me building it. I'll probably still be editing some parts of it because it took a long time. Most of it, well, yeah, most of it was recorded, some bits took too long to record, like the cooler, that was a bit difficult for me to install, so I could get a bit of help. But yeah, other than that, everything's good.